Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Mubate and I'm back with another video. Oh, welcome back to all my stubbies. If you're new to the channel, I'm Mubate. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. I wanted to come on here just to show y'all how to take out my soft locks really quickly. No scissors, that way you can save your locks if you want to put them in, you know, later time. So real easy, real simple, don't take too long. You can get someone to help you do it, or you can pretty much do it yourself. As you guys can see, I already started taking out the back. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the front for you guys so y'all can see. So I'm gonna start with this one. So you would have to twist it somehow, some way. What I would say is take your finger and protect your real hair. So hold your real hair and then untwist this some type of way. Basically, you're untwisting it to where you can see that it starts to unravel. While you're twisting the opposite way, it's going to unravel, as you guys can see. And so basically you're just going to keep on twisting until you feel your hair. So yeah, in the refrigerator. Why? Because it wasn't frozen, it was on the rocks. Yep. So I'm just unraveling, trying to find my hair some way, somehow. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so I found my hair. Y'all see my hair right here? So I'm just basically going to take my braid and I'm going to pull up. And I should have told y'all that these are crochets. All these are crocheted individually. So I should have told y'all that. So yeah. So I found my braid. So what I'm going to... Hey, TC, you can't be so loud. So what I'm going to do is... take this comb. And I'm just going to help guide me to take my braid underneath. The stylist who did my hair, she did my braids really tiny. She did my parts really tiny to make it full. So I have a lot of braids in here, and then they're so tiny. They're all tiny like this. So yeah, and then I think my hair thin too, so that might be another thing. Okay, so as y'all can see, I took the braid out, right? I took the braid out, okay? So now, so y'all can see like this opening, kind of. Dang it, where is it? Okay, y'all see this opening between like this little string and then that. You just take it, you pull it. This not my hair, this is the lock. Hair didn't come out. It's thin as fuck, but it didn't come out, okay? Okay, you guys, so I slowed it down so I can explain it to you better. Now that I'm actually watching it, I feel like I can explain it a little bit better than what I did while recording the video. So as you guys can see, I'm taking my lock and I am just twisting it and twisting. I'm trying to find the right way to twist it. Depending on how your stylist put it in, you'll be able to tell the difference. If you twist it and it gets tight, then that's not the right way. If you're twisting it and it's getting looser by your scalp, then that is the right way. So here, I'm just trying to figure out what's the right way. When I found it, I was able to twist it and pull down. Once you pull the Marley hair down, then you're going to see your braid and the lock exposed. The braid and the lock are going to be exposed. You see the braid in my left hand and the lock in my right hand. The hair that is twisted that I'm pulling my braid out of is the Marley hair. Okay, so now I done found it and I'm good to go. So now what I'm about to do is take a comb or something and I'm about to take this braid out of my hair. Once I take the braid out of my hair, it is going to be super duper easy for me to just pull it out of the soft lock. So just watch me take this braid down and we'll go from there. I don't really know
inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Easily put my finger through my hair or hold to my hair and just politely pull the lock down as so. It's taking me forever, but yeah. And y'all can see where it was interlocked between that. You see that piece of hair and the other piece of hair. You see where my finger is. You can tell where it was crocheted in at. So I'm just going to take my finger and place it between that, and I'm just pulling the lock off. So simple, so easy. Real spill. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I had took a little crawfish break, but I'm back. So right now I'm just trying to take out all the twists, the individual twists that I done did when I was taking them out. But as y'all can see, this is what it's giving. Oh, baby, I need a wash. But this is what it's giving. Just a twist. Real easy, real simple. None of my hair came out in the locks. This is all like the Marley hair that y'all see. That's the Marley hair. That's not my hair. Yeah, none of my hair came out. This is it. Dirty, all that extra stuff. But yeah. So, and then it's a good thing too, because I can still save some of my clips. Still save some of my jewelry, my hair jewelry. So I'm not going to pull them down. I'm going to go ahead and pull it up off of it. Another thing too, if y'all wanted to, you can just cut the Marley hair off, because the Marley hair is not that expensive. What's expensive is the actual lock that you get. The Marley hair isn't that expensive. So you can cut the Marley hair off, or whatever the case may be, or you know, you can just pull it off. This one being stubborn. The other one came off super duper easy. Being kind of stubborn though. Okay. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. All right. Girl, every time I think I get it off, some tell me otherwise. Alright, so I don't want to damage it. So what I'm going to do is, now that I see that it's only just this piece that's stuck to it, I'm just going to cut it off without me messing it up. Titi. Yeah. I want to clean. You clean? Yeah. I see. Now that I'm trying to show y'all how to take it off, it's giving me here.
Girl, I thought you was out here getting out of your bags. So did they have the medicine done?
No, they I guess she sent it in on. Okay. So that's it. It's back to a regular lock. That's that. So this, then, and now. So it's real super easy. You're going to feel the Marley hair move up and down as you're taking it out your braid, as y'all seen in the tutorial. So it's not going to be that hard for y'all to just pull it off. See, this one kind of coming off easily than the other one. I ain't even gonna mess with it right now, but y'all seen how I did it. Super easy, super simple, clean, no big old mess. And like you don't need no trash bag and none of that extra stuff. I will show y'all how I'm going to preserve my locks, but I'm not even gonna preserve them in no specific way, no good way. I'm just gonna put that stuff back up in the bag that it came in, because I still have some more left over. So I'm just gonna politely put them bitches back in there and call it a day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was really helpful. I hope it wasn't too difficult. I hope I explained it the right way, and even if I didn't explain it the right way, hopefully with me showing you guys and giving y'all close-up looks on how I did it, it made it easy for you guys. So I'm just about to take the rest of these twists out my hair, dye it, and get my little wash going on or whatever. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on another video. Bye.